When we are talking about innovation today, we also have to talk about digitalization. And digitalization is different when we look into other countries. This is caused by the regulatory affairs here in Germany. And I think it's a very good chance to have a cooperation, for example, with Australia, because Australia is very innovative when it comes up to digitalization. And there's a lot we can learn from Australia, but from the other side, engineering is something we're really good in here in Germany, and we have a lot of startups with innovative ideas, and the cooperation allows to push innovative ideas here from Germany into another market, because in Germany it would be very difficult to push it into market caused by the regulatory affairs. Besides the regulatory topic, we should also pay attention how health system is financed. And in Germany it's a little bit strange because we have a lot of different health insurances, and if you have an innovative idea, normally you have to try to contract with the health insurances. So in other countries it's a little bit easier because there are not over hundreds of health insurances, so it's easier to contract and push from this point an idea into the market. In general, applied science is a very good approach. Therefore, from the Fraunhofer point of view, we are very successful because we put the science point of view together with applied science of your point of view. So we are cooperating a lot with industries, and cooperating with industries from other countries fosters the learning from issues, chances and risks. They potentially can occur if you have an innovative idea. So you can see when you look into the tandems that they have very well understood what they should do to push the idea forward, because some of them had a lot of experience made here in Germany, and they recognize that some things were very difficult to realize the idea, and therefore they got into the cooperation. The cooperation with Fraunhofer allows to evaluate whether an idea makes sense or not when you think about acceptance, feasibility, the maturity of the idea, how far I'm away from the market, what should I do? Do I have any kind of understandings? What kind of business model could work? Do my algorithms work? Do I have to evaluate them? Do I have to pay attention to the medical device regulations because I have a medical product? So this is a part where Fraunhofer can support to do this kind of research. This is this pre-evaluation of ideas and help, because Fraunhofer is applied science research institution, to push it into the market, because we also have an understanding what the market needs and what are the difficulties are in the market. I think you should have a feeling for whom you will present your idea. Will it be some kind of venture capital giver? Will it be a presentation on a science conference? The art of presenting will be different, because the people will be interested in different things. And from the science point of view, you will be more in mathematical models and so on. And from the venture capital point of view, you will be more interested in business model. How can something be financed, and what are your ideas to implement your idea of digitalization and a digital product into the market? Those people want to get a feeling that you have understand the market, the chances and the risks, and the science point of view would like to understand whether you have understood the theoretical point of view of your idea. And you should have this kind of feeling to make the things simple. Both sides want to understand your idea in 5 minutes, not more. This is why I call it clear and simple. From the international point of view, you should have a feeling what are the cultural aspects within the country, what things are working there and what things are not. The thinkings always differ in the different countries, and within the exchange program here, for example, for the cooperation Australia with Germany, you can learn a lot how the people in Australia are working, how they are thinking, and what is needed to enable an idea. And this is your chance to get into cooperation, to interact with those kind of people. They also should learn from you. You should tell them what is what the art of doing things in Germany. We are very structured, and you will find other countries where people are perhaps not that much structured. They do it in another pace, and you should accept this and get this kind of feeling how some culture work. And you should give something from you and from your culture also back.